Hello friends, I am Sushma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Spirit. From basic learners and for competitive exams, please like and subscribe, press bell icon and select all options to see my next videos. Friends, in the previous video, we have seen the parts of speech: noun, adjective, verb, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection. The aim of my YouTube channel Learn with Spirit is to make you independent learner. In this video, we are going to see use of a and an. When words first letter begins with vowels, we use an. When words first letter begins with consonants, we use a. When a word begins with a vowel sound, we use an before it. Let's see a word activity. Orange, an orange. Igloo, an igloo. Apple, an apple. Egg, an egg. Uncle, an uncle. We use a before words that begin with the sound of the other letters. Now see a word activity. Tree, a tree. Cat, a cat. Bag, a bag. Boy, a boy. Watch, a watch. So remember, use an with vowels and a with consonants. Let's do an activity. Use a or an before each word. Cap, a cap. Ant, an ant. Chair, a chair. Box, a box. Umbrella, an umbrella. Bed, a bed. Ice cream, an ice cream. Elephant, an elephant. Now be careful. The sound of the letter is important. For example, a house but an R, because the H at the beginning of the R is silent. We do not say hour, we say R, because H is silent in the word R. An uncle but a university. The U at the beginning of university sounds like Y-O-U, U. That is why we put A before university word. Friends, I hope so you are happy with the information which I have shared with you. Now let's see use of a and an with sentences. Ramesh has a toy car. The word toy begins with consonant sound, so we use a toy. Harry has an owl for a pet. Word owl begins with vowel sound, so we use an owl. The word pet begins with consonant sound, so we use a pet. Please give me an apple and a banana. The word apple begins with vowel sound, so we use an apple. The word banana begins with consonant sound, so we use a banana. There is a boat on the river. The word boat begins with consonant sound, so we use a boat. An elephant is an animal, and so also is a zebra. The word elephant begins with vowel sound, so we use an elephant. The word animal begins with vowel sound, so we use an animal. The word zebra begins with consonant sound, so we use a zebra. Friends, play with more words to improve your word bank. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, press bell icon and select all options to see my next videos. Thank you.